Hello everyone, welcome to this course. My hope is that by the end of the course, you will be familiar with the Python programming language. In this course, we'll learn the basic of Python. So let's start with the session. The introduction part. Python is a very simple programming language. So even if you are new to programming, you can learn Python without facing any issues. In this session, we'll have an introduction to Python. During this, we'll try to answer the following questions like what is Python? Why Python? What Python can be used for? Its features and applications. Popular app developed using Python. Why Python is a better language? Let's answer the very first question. That is, what is Python? Python is an interpreted, object oriented, high level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high level built in data structures combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding make it very attractive for rapid application development. Python is also called a scripting or a glue language. Now you will be wondering, what's a glue language? Glue language refers to a programming language that is designed specifically to write and manage program and a code which connects together different software components.